Hey, sister.
Hey, sister.
Hey, sis. Sissy sis.
Okay, so for the intro, we all get to say hi, sisters, together. Hi, sisters!
Jocelyn is very excited about using the word sisters multiple times today. Welcome back to Beauty Break.
Oh, sisters!
Oh my God, today we have a very exciting video because we're gonna be attempting to follow along a James Charles makeup tutorial.
Our sister! Not yet, because we've never met.
No, we've never met,
Oh,
and
we
he
love
probably doesn't
him.
know who we are. We're gonna try follow his tutorial.
Our sister. Well, he does our other sister, Ariana Grande's makeup tutorial.
But just the voiceover of said sister tutorial. So as if we wouldn't be setting ourselves up for failure enough.
It's gonna get dark.
It's gonna be a rough one.
Let's go, sisters.
Okay.
I love saying sisters.
I know.
Jesus.
So let's begin. We're not going to look at the tutorial because we don't want to have any kind of reference. The only reference I have is that I've seen God is a Woman, the video, like once.
Right?
You believe God is a woman.
And I've actually seen a lot of people, like Adeline recreated this.
Oh,
This is so cool.
Maya's World, if you know her, she did it. It looked insane.
Swimming.
now us.
Remember how good we were at using actual visuals to recreate the It makeup?
Best Halloween costume of 2017. This will go so much better.
Bridget, would you mind logging in so as to keep this very discreet?
We're so good, we wouldn't want anything to stack the odds in our favor. We did send Bridget out ahead of time. She has watched the video in advance and she bought all the products we need. There's a couple that they didn't have, so we got like the closest option.
Okay, bring on the James.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Hi, sisters!
Hey,
James
hi.
Charles here, and welcome
Hi, James.
back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day so far, and I'm actually really excited for today's video. I am doing a tutorial, which I have not done in a very, very long periodically time, so I want to do a recreation of the kind of purple painted look. Ariana literally looked the best in the entire world.
Set
I
up,
know she
sister.
just switched milk bath of like blue and purple.
We have a milk bath prepared. Who's drawing the bath? No one got
One
it.
of the
Tell us what to do, Sister James.
God as a Woman has been stuck in my head literally non-stop for the past several days straight.
Same.
So I'm really excited to announce that
Hashtag
today's video is sponsored
spawn.
by Quid.
Pause.
Quid is a new awesome
How much money does Quid have?
What is
Can you
Quid?
sponsor us? They're stickers. See, look how good we are. Let's get into the video, Sister James.
He looks really good without makeup, too.
He's beautiful. Okay, sister.
Me and Sister Ariana have had some
Sister Ariana. It sounds like he's talking about nuns. Okay, let's go,
Did
sister.
he go to makeup school or anything, or is he just
I don't know, I feel like
self-talented?
he's still a baby, so I don't know when he would have had time.
Okay, okay,
We're jumping in, sister. What do we start with? Isn't his little thing so cute?
So starting this video, I already have my base fully on and complete.
Yeah, me
Let's
too.
be real, you all know that I want to start off today with a sister cut crease, and I'm super
sister cut
alright,
crease.
that's scary, but you know what? I'm gonna use the Norvina eyeshadow palette.
Marvina.
Norvina.
Video, so
Isn't it pretty?
This cut crease is actually gonna be super sister simple today, and I'm gonna start with my Morphe Am 513 brush. This is my all-time favorite.
What? 513? What are the
Of
numbers?
course, just gonna dip into the shade Incense.
Incense.
This is kind of like light,
Read this one.
neutral tone brown, and I'm blending this in my crease region.
My
to
crease.
start shaping the cut crease.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna this put a crease counter in it. Cut crease.
There's something about-
Is that right?
I don't know.
To make sure that
I look
I'm just following the
horrible.
natural
I truly have no idea where I'm supposed to
I
be
think
putting
it goes above the crease.
Not below?
I don't know, I already kind of have
Bridget, is he putting it below the crease?
inner corner towards inner corner.
tie everything together, and so there's no harsh lines.
Oh,
So you have to blend it, kind of.
blend it to what?
Your eyes.
This is a slightly smaller crease brush, and I really like this one because it's a little bit more precise. This is my favorite brush in the entire world, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to dip into the shade Volatile. And I'm
Yes, this mirror's so dirty.
Mine has so many finger marks. It's
Why
like
have I
probably
been
after
having
eating
trouble
like a
doing
hamburger.
this? I haven't done this in so long.
Me either, James. Oh, why are you not
It's
talking?
looking good so far. I'm going to grab that M513 again, dip into a little bit more of the shade Incest.
Incest.
Did I just say that? Incest. Oh my god, Incense. I'm at 506, which is just a tiny, like, little fluffy.
Pointy
Pointy
fluffy.
fluffy.
You need to spell it and I'm just gonna use this to deepen up
Which one?
the very bottom of this crease right before I go ahead and actually
Volatile?
really make sure everything is blended out.
I don't think so in a fight. Wait, cut the crease.
Too careful about this. It's just because we're going to line it anyways. But I am gonna grab a just flat concealer brush and then just a regular concealer.
What's a concealer brush?
We don't have one. Cut the crease.
How do you cut the crease?
Jesus. I always like to start right above the middle of the eyelid because
Right
it's
above
always the
the-
absolute hardest for me.
It's, so it cut the crease half of the eye?
I basically like
This crease was not exactly what I was
and then
going
the
for,
concealer's
but you know
going right
what?
under where you put the eyeshadow.
And once that crease is all cut, I'm just going to take a Morphe M2.
How is your crease is cut? Can we pause?
Dip into the shade Base.
Woo! Sister James, you're giving me a heart attack. Why is this so fast? You edit it fast, right? You didn't do it that fast?
I don't know. I think it's just really good. Wait, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Now you have to put this in the.
I put it on this.
Oh, and then you put it under the swoop-de-doo to cut the crease. I still have no idea what this means.
You can bring it down, yeah, he said.
Oh, bring it down? Is that a
Sister
term?
said you can.
Sister said we can bring it down.
Sister said 80 million things that I missed, so I really.
I
this
look
is-
just like Ariana. From far away, it looks so much worse. Up close, it looks better.
I mean, there's nothing to even look at on mine. I don't even know what to.
Okay, mine looks great. I'm happy with it. Let's go. Continue. All right, sister, what else do you have for us?
I'm going to grab the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Self-Control. I feel like this is a very
this one?
good
This is
color
Jeffree.
for
Yes.
the look today, and I'm just going to plop this on the back of my hand. And
Oh,
then I'm
back
just going to
of
grab
your
a tiny liner brush super carefully.
Oh.
Cut the crease. Did that work?
I'm just going to grab that flat pencil brush once again.
I like this old timey music,
This really
sister.
is not going well.
I'm a little bit crusted, dusted, and rusted today, but we're going to get through it
Same.
together.
Every
So,
day,
now comes
sister.
a simple little wing.
A simple wing.
With
On the
the same
outside.
brush.
Yeah.
To add a little bit more definition to kind of make it look like a little bit of a smoky wing.
I'm
and
so confused.
face
Wait, is the wing supposed to be down here?
Regular, like cat eye way.
Oh, dang.
What is this tutorial?
I don't know. I don't feel like it's your fault.
So,
This is
what I'm
just
gonna do. I have a little bit of
going
that, like
so
liquid lipstick
wrong.
last. This will probably kind of ruin it and make it crusted, but I have literally 27 of these, so
from
tap
what
off
brush?
any of that.
How big is the brush?
And I'm just gonna go right in on the lower lash line. And
Oh, this
that
is
with the
pretty.
you guys, that is one eye of this look all complete.
He's only doing one at a time?
Since I filmed-
You're not supposed to do it on both eyes?
I'm gonna go ahead and do the
Are you
other eye
kidding
off
me?
camera quickly. Alright guys, I am back and both eyes all complete.
Me too.
So you are supposed to do both eyes.
I don't even know if this brush is
Hold on,
working.
over top of the nose for a fake freckle moment. Alright,
Oh,
adding
fake
the freckles
freckles.
to the- This is the shape and shade brown tint in the shade
It literally
brown.
just looks sick.
Is this what I'm supposed to be using?
I'm gonna grab an Abbott 501 brush and dip into the shade of Wild Child from the lower.
It's not working.
Guys, this is so stressful.
I can't get this to come out.
I just bought that.
Let me see it.
Isn't that weird? I think this is different because this one only has one side. It doesn't have a marker side.
Well,
You
come
win
on.
some, you lose
Okay, well,
some.
I already have freckles, so we
Okay,
can
so
move on.
let's continue.
I'm gonna start off by using the Anastasia new liquid lipstick in the shade Violet. I'm just gonna use this as a base to all the other colors we're gonna layer on top.
Oh,
I'm gonna layer on some different little like splotches to kind of mimic that whole cloud type effect that Ariana had on her lips. So just using that Jeffree Star lipstick that we used as liner before, a white gel liner, and then also the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Pink. Okay guys, oh my god, literally, hello. Wow, this tutorial went so fast. Okay, the look is literally complete. So
Is he
I'm gonna
done?
take some settings.
God damn it, James, pause!
okay. Wait, I have the Jeffree.
Okay, and then we have a
You
liquid.
have the white,
Yes.
and then we have the other purple. Is that this?
What are we supposed to do? It's like cloud.
He didn't
like,
say. I don't know if
he said make
yet.
it like clouds.
Yeah, so put purples and then put some white and put a little blue, make it look like clouds.
Oh, just that easy. Like solid, like
Do it like a lip and then use the dab with white.
the white is the clouds.
Yeah, so you just like.
I don't really know if I heard correctly.
I like that we're like cheating and like having like some game of telephone
Like,
kind
as
of
if
to get
this
the
is
makeup
helping us.
tutorial done.
Also, after this, we should pause because we forgot lashes.
Oh, did he already do that?
God, Sister James, you're too fast for us.
So as Bridget pointed out, we forgot to put on eyelashes. Sister's already got his lashes on. We're not good at lashes at all. We have a box of like 85 eyelashes over here. Let me see. Oh, I forgot to put glue on. Duh. Seriously. You know Amber Rose wears like 2 rows of eyelashes? This kind of smells like fish in the trash. Like this. Like old
Ew,
fish.
that is disgusting. Also,
really
we
does.
should have trimmed them first.
I don't do that. Here's my thing. If they're supposed to fit on your eye, why don't they make them the right shape?
Because people have different size eyes.
They're always like,
Oh, shit.
let me see. Nice. Cut crease. You know, in the light up here, I look like okay. Down here, it looks very scary.
Why are they so hard? I hate makeup. It's so frustrating.
One eye is good.
The other one doesn't even have anything on it.
Let's see what sister's doing.
Put my other sister set on. I'm pretty sure these are just like rested on top of my eyelashes and they're not glued on at all. But shall we continue?
Up here and
No, I'm just like wet.
Oh, I mean, beautiful, but we're going the full shebang. Ariana Grande painted moment realness.
There's
Excited
more.
for this.
Oh, sister, slow down. I can tell you're going fast. Does he speed it up?
He's speeding it up, yeah.
Damn it, sister.
Sisters,
No, sister, we're not done.
I'm just literally
He
drawing.
actually put himself in a milk bath.
I'm drawing on
Where's
my
our milk bath, Bridget?
Touch
Not
it, sister.
sister production value. This is so confusing to me because it looks like you would squeeze it out, but it's a brush. Anyway.
I could not agree more. Oh, I kind of got broken.
Is she doing it
You
right?
can stick to one side.
Oh, one side?
Oh, this is just
Honestly,
going.
I kind of think mine looks cool.
I'm not gonna lie, I haven't also seen the video in a very long time, so I don't totally remember what she looked like. Is it like brush stroke kind of like paint?
Yeah.
Kind I just don't want to get in my hair.
I feel like Megan would have been really good at this.
I don't think this looks anything like it's supposed to.
It's all open to interpretation,
I
Lil.
meant to do it like this.
Oh!
It looks kind of cool.
I told you, I think it kind of looks
I
cool.
think my eyelid is like glued to itself. Should we let sister continue?
What is sister saying?
I'm literally obsessed with how this look turned out. Like,
Me too.
We look good. Let's jump right in. You love it how I move you love it how I touch you.
Do you think people would dislike this video if we started singing? I do.
Sister, you have a good voice.
Sister, you're great. Thank you for the tutorial. I think we nailed it.
Honestly, I'm gonna pause this, not because I don't love your voice, sister. James, if you ever want to come on our little show here,
We would love for you to come and maybe teach us some things
I was gonna say, I wonder if there's anything at all we could teach someone like him.
that we could teach.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Look at his photo and see how you did.
Oh, let's see. We haven't even looked
Well,
at
we
sister's
just thought we
picture.
looked so good that we didn't even need to compare.
Okay, let's turn it around. Are you
It's
ready?
actually kind of at a perfect moment.
Wait,
works.
we kind of look good. What did he look like at the end?
He's so just.
He's so handsome.
beautiful.
Oh my god.
Where's our milk bath?
How do you even make a milk? Do you literally fill your bath with milk?
I feel like it's probably majority water and then you just mix milk in.
Both of us have the tiniest bathtub. Do you have a bath we can borrow, James?
Sister soak.
Sister soak? Too soon.
No.
Probably scared you. I'm sorry.
really sorry to anyone that watched this.
I actually have to say that if you are familiar with us, you know that this was like pretty successful. We usually fail. We're not like James.
Let us know what else we should do in the comments below, and everyone go tweet James, tell him to come on the show and teach
James!
us something, because I want to know all about these brush numbers.
Me too. I know nothing.
Thank you for being here today.
Thank you. I think we look pretty good. Wow, you almost left without your lip gloss.
Please just click over here and watch another video so this stops. Maybe
You
it'll stop
are
in real life. Too.
Beautiful.
And then, oh no.
She pretty. Click over here, guys.
And over here, please.
More. More is more.